Hi Frozen community! In the last video, we briefly introduced our newly upgraded printing process. We believe that these features will definitely enhance your printing experience. And today, let's talk about Z-axis control and its new features. Adjusting the building plate is now more convenient too. You can directly move it to the height you want with the slide rail. Or you can move the building plate by different units, like 0.1, 1, or 10 millimeters. In the Z-axis control, the steps of Z-axis calibration are optimized with graphic instructions, allowing users to calibrate the Z-axis with on-screen tutorial. This is the same as other Z-axis calibration, so we are going to skip it. The Z-offset function allows you to adjust the Z-axis 0 point when using thicker resin. You can see the adjusted position on the number below the slide rail. It's easy, right? So that's all the upgrades you need to know about Z-axis control. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our website and pre-order now. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know and we'll get back to you ASAP. See you next time.